I am Jomon Jacob, Extended Service Officer of Coir Board. Welcome to e-tutorial of Coir Board, Ministry of MSME, Government of India. Let us start the class of weaving matting. The definition of weaving is the process of interlacement of two kinds of threads known as warp and weft. The warp threads are kept on the loom in a parallel sheet form, and the weft threads pass in between the warp layers to form interlacement in certain order according to the type of fabric to be woven. The two-shaft matting. This is also known as plain weave. Plain weave is the most simple of all weaves. The warp threads are lifted one up, one down, and the weft threads interlaced in between the warp layers. The odd numbered warp threads are lifted up, and even number of warp threads are lifted down for the insertion of first pick. Then the order of lifting is reversed and the second pick is inserted. As a rule, only 2 heddle frames and 2 treadles would be sufficient for this weave, but it is the usual practice to use 4 heddle frames coupled up in 2 pairs. This reduces the count of heddles to half of what they would be on 2 heddle frames. With the 4 heddle frames, the warp threads are drafted in the order 1, 3, 2, 4, and weaving is done raising first and second heddle frames together for the first pick and third and fourth heddle frames together for the second pick. Some modifications are also to be done in two-shaft matting, that is basket weave. This is the modification of plain weave. Instead of single threads raised and lowered alternately in plain weave, here the warp threads are allowed to raise and lower 2-3 strands together and interlace with the weft, which also will be on 2 or 3 fold. Since the order of interlacement is only in 2 different manners, as in the case of plain weave, 2 heddle frames and 2 treadles would be sufficient for weaving this design. But for practical convenience, 4 heddle frames and 4 treadles coupled up in 2 pairs are used. In this case, the drafting order would be 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, and 4, 3, 4.